What's going on? So this is tips on fishing wire. Right now I'm currently fishing an HDMI cord down into this hole. This is a previously made outlet hole. I'm actually just putting the HDMI cable down into it. You see you got the outlet installed right behind the TV for the wire concealment, for the floating TV look. And we're mounting a 65 here right onto that wall, and it'll have no wire showing. The power cord is going to be plugged in behind the TV because it's, again, it was already pre-wired for the outlet. Just a 120 volt outlet. I'm assuming it's feeding off of that outlet over there, ran up all the way behind the wall. And all I'm doing is finishing the work as far as the HDMI cable and fishing it down into here. And I'll show you what it looks like after that.